Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on headphone safety on your iPhone. This is a very useful feature that helps protect your ears from loud audio levels and prevents long-term hearing damage. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down a little bit and tap on Sound and Haptics. If you don't want to scroll, you can also simply use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Sound and Haptics, and it will take you directly there. Now, once you are on this page, scroll all the way down until you find the option called Headphone Safety. Tap on it. Here you will see two important options: Reduce Loud Audio, Headphone Notifications. You can turn both of these options on for better safety. After that, you will also see a decibel level slider. You can set the maximum audio level according to your personal preference. If you want more protection, keep it at a lower level. And that's it. Your headphone safety feature is now enabled. This will help protect your hearing while still letting you enjoy your music, videos, and calls safely. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.